Hello world, my name is Lamin Jawla and this is my CS50P final project. I simulate an inventory management systems, and the name of the program is IT Inventory Tracker. It is a command line program which lets you enter items or devices such as computers. We enter their serial numbers, their models, their category, and then store them in a database and also query them, and you can also export them as a CSV file. And then I'm also using SQL library as the database, and as you can see, this is the main file, the project.py, which contains the main function. And then this is the utility file, which contains the inventory class, which instantiates the item objects. And also that's the test files, and then the database, and then the readme file, and that's the requirements of the project. And then so I'm going to show you how it actually works. So I'm going to run the programs, and then once you run the programs, you're going to see a menu, and from that menu there are numbers 1 to 7 and 0 corresponding to the options available. So what you got to do is to type the number which is corresponding to that other functions. For example, if you want to see the dashboard, it's number 1, you can press 1 and you can see the dashboard. Right here I have only 2 items, like 2 CPUs that I stored in the database, and then I can also add an item by typing number 2. Then I can add the model of the device that I want to add. So I'm going to say 635 and the CPU, and then the category, and the location, blah blah, and also the description also, and the item is added successfully. So I can also view all the items by number 3, where it displays the list of the items that I have, and I can also search for a specific element. Say I can search it by the model, and that will display the item. And then you can also delete an item by typing in the serial number of the device, and then which will delete the item. And then you can also export the data as a CSV file by pressing number 7, which is export items. Then you press 7 and it says the items I exported successfully. If there are no items in the database, it will show some error message like no items to be exported. And in this case, this inventory 50.csv file contains the data that is exported. So yeah, that is it, and you can quit out of the program by pressing 0.